What's up, guys? Welcome back to the second update of the Ring o' Fire cayenne pepper plants growing in a tree. I was up here about 2 days ago. I watered them, and the first thing I noticed kind of broke my heart. But inside this log right here, well, in the tree trunk, in this little hollow area, I had a chili pepper plant, and you can see right here there's no more foliage left. If you look really close, it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there's just a little tiny, like half of the stem left. I'm not sure what happened there, if the bugs came and ate it, but or it just didn't do good. Maybe it got burned out by the sun. I'm not sure. I think maybe the bugs ate it because I don't see any wrinkled up burnt leaves right there. But over here, this pepper plant looks a little bigger than last time. These leaves have gotten a lot bigger. Not a lot bigger, but noticeably bigger. We got that true leaf right there looking a little bit bigger too, growing out of that tree trunk right there. And in the center, if you guys remember, I have my third plant. Well, now I only have two. So one didn't make it. Didn't expect that. But these seem to be doing pretty good. This one down here looks just a tiny bit bigger than the other day. We got a bunch of little sprouts that came up right here. I'm gonna consider them weeds because I didn't plant them. And just pull them out. That plant looks okay. I came to water it. I just want to water them every couple days so that until they get established, I'll water them less often. This right here, when I dig underneath, it's like nice and dark soil, because like what happened is over time a bunch of these like little leaves and branches and what are these called, like these little pine needles, whatever they're called, they've been like sitting here and decomposing and stuff, making nice good soil. So hopefully this plant does good. I think the pocket right here is pretty deep too. Before I dug the plant, it was a pretty deep hole that I made. Right there's two. This pocket's pretty deep. This one, it seems like a deep pocket, but like down here, it has like a little exit hole. You can see some moisture coming out of there. Looks like. I might try to plant something else there. Well, thank you guys for joining me for the second update of the Ring o' Fire chili pepper plants growing inside of a tree. Cool experiment. I'm hoping this really works out. We're really excited to have some pepper plants growing up. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Peace!